Es bilingüe. I'm a high school teacher, and when I call home, one of the most common things parents say is, well, my student says they're doing their work, but I don't really know how to check. This video should solve that problem. So have your student go into their Google Classroom. They should know how to do it, but in case they're trying to say that they don't, you go to classroom.google.com. Once that loads, it's going to show all the classes that they are currently enrolled in. This panel shows a tile for each class. Now, you could go into each class individually and check their work, or you can go here where it says To Do. Click this To Do button. This will bring up a list of all the work that they have to do. So if it's in the assigned category, it means their teacher assigned it, but they haven't done it yet. And if you scroll down, it tells you how many are due this week, how many are due next week, and how many are due later. You can also click View All, and it'll show everything. This is the one you're going to probably want to look at, the Missing tab. This will show you all the assignments that they haven't done yet. So earlier, last week, this week, you can click View All, and it'll show you all the assignments they haven't done and when they were due. Show you the whole list. And then you can also see how many they have done. So you can see how many they've done early, so done before the due date, how many they did this week, how many they did last week, and how many they've done prior to that. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.